In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided for your HP DeskJet 4200 printer series. We will use the document feeder. So let's load this 4-page document into the document feeder. Remember to use the paper guide. And we'll copy in color. So page 1 and page 3 have been copied. We need to reload the document back into the document feeder to copy the second side. Here's how. Remove the document and rotate it 180 degrees and place it back into the document feeder. Next, on the output tray, you will need to put page 3 below and then turn over and put it back into the input tray. We are now ready to copy the second side. Let's press on the color copy button. The second side is copied. You need to rearrange the pages such that they are in the correct order. So page 1 and page 2, page 3 and page 4. So this is how you copy a two-sided document on your HP DeskJet 4200 printer series.